Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my Hobonichi Weeks, which is my social media planner for the week of August 23rd through the 29th. And this week I'm going to use the Sailor Moon Hobonichi Weeks kit from Sweet Kawaii Design. And I picked it because it's just so cute. I love the colors and stuff. I also grabbed this die cut, this big sticker, which I could put here and it would completely fit, but I've also thought maybe of trimming it down, or maybe I won't even use it and I'll use it for something else. I just like to pull everything that matches. Here is the Sailor large die cuts. I love the cats. And then I also grabbed the bows. And then this was a $2 Tuesday sheet of the bottom washi. Here are some Sailor Critter die cuts, and then I have more of the die cuts here, which are like this. Oh, these are the accessory die cuts. So cute. I'm excited to get started. I'm excited to use them. I hope everybody's doing well. I am going to lay these out pretty much the way it's intended, only because you don't have that much room in this planner, and I try to keep it somewhat functional so I can plan out my posts. I have noticed it's helped me a lot if anybody's looking to like just do a bit more posting or be more consistent. I feel like it helps me anyways, and it gives me another planner to decorate. This is such a pretty bright yellow. Oh, it's really pretty. Like, can you guys even see me? I don't know if I was in frame. I'm sorry. So already I'm super happy with just the colors of this. Super fun. I chose this kit because I thought it was so cute. I never actually watched Sailor Moon when Tasia had come out with these kits. I like went on Netflix and watched a few episodes just to see what it was all about. Okay, so I'm gonna use this fun sticker for filming and keeping track of the YouTube post. And then, like I always do, I'm gonna use these two for Facebook and Instagram habit trackers. I've really kind of just gotten into a routine with this planner. I usually use like my catch-all planner to decorate and just kind of play and have fun in, but this one seems to be a little bit more like just getting it done, doing what needs to get done. I love these bows. I got 2 sheets of them because they're so cute. I put the dates on before I forget. I'm gonna go ahead and put these checklists down. They worked pretty well for me last week, so I'm gonna try that again. I am still like working on getting into a good routine with my posts, like figuring out what days would be what. So I'm still on the learning curve, but I find that these checklists do come in handy. Now you guys are probably like, why did you pull all that stuff and then you don't even use it? I like to, I don't know, sometimes I feel like I'll get like inspiration and ideas from pulling everything. I guess it's just kind of what I do. It makes it a reason why I purchased everything. So I'm in love with this cat. I used him in my daily pages. I love it. He's so cute. Oh, maybe it's a she. Maybe I should go back and watch more of this show. You guys are probably hating me. Let's see. I'm just going to put these boxes around here. That way they're available. And I will toss ideas onto them throughout the week for different ideas and things that I might want to post. And then on that day, I will move them over to the day I posted on. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope everybody has a wonderful day and a great week, and thanks for hanging out with me and watching this video. If you guys could like and subscribe, it would mean the world to me. I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.